Hello again and welcome to second episode of Digitally Show. Today I'm gonna talk about the history of intraoral scanners, CEREC and CAD/CAM systems, so stay tuned. So let's skip talking about and explaining conventional impression, but we will come back to it soon. In this video, we are going to talk about the history of digital impression, CEREC and Dentsply Sirona. Dr. Francis Duret of France was the first person to develop a dental CAD/CAM device, making crowns based on an optical impression of the abutment tooth and using a numerical controlled milling machine as early as 1971. CAD stands for Computer-Aided Designing and CAM stands for Computer-Aided Manufacturing, and this is how single-visit dentistry or one-day dentistry was created. Dr. Marman was the developer of the first commercial CAD/CAM system. He consulted with Dr. Marco Brandestini, an electrical engineer who came up with the idea of using optics to scan the teeth. By 1985, the team and Sirona company had performed the first chairside inlay using a combination of their optical scanner and milling device. They called the device CEREC prototype. CEREC is the short term for chairside economical restoration of aesthetic ceramics or ceramic reconstruction. 2 years later, CEREC 1 was introduced to dentistry world and became the first functional chairside equipment ever. Later, in 1994, Sirona introduced CEREC 2, which using two-dimensional concepts could produce inlays, onlays, veneer, partial and complete crowns and cuppings. In 2000, Sirona launched CEREC 3, but 5 years later, Sirona released a different version which did everything CEREC 2 and CEREC 3 could, plus virtual automatic occlusal adjustment. The new CEREC 3 or CEREC 3D system also no longer used two-dimensional principles, and 3 years later, a revolution happened in softwares named CEREC 3D SW. In these years, milling system was a part of chairside, but in 2007, CEREC MCXL was introduced and separated from a scanner. In 2009, Sirona introduces a new digital impression unit, CEREC AC, powered by its new 3D camera, CEREC BlueCam. Until 2010s, all OSs worked a special powder to generate the picture. This decade was a highly busy period for Sirona as it successfully launched several new products to the market, such as the CEREC OmniCam CAD/CAM system, which is powder-free and provides unique 3D full jaw acquisitions in color with detail and precision. CEREC Software 4.2 was announced to provide a smile design concept in 2013. On February 29, 2016, Dentsply Sirona makes history, closing the biggest merger in the dental industry to create the largest manufacturer of professional dental products. More than 25 significant products and technologies are introduced, including Celtra Dew, CEREC Zirconia, and CEREC Spitfire Furnace. At the IDS 2017, Dentsply Sirona announces that the CEREC system will be open and will now enable the export of scan data in STL format. That means that digital impressions data can also be used software produced by other manufacturers. In 2019, Dentsply Sirona opened a new chapter in digital dentistry with the introduction of PrimeScan, the intraoral scanner with a new digital impression technology enabling high precision scans of the entire jaw. These scans present numerous possibilities for users. PrimeScan was designed for various digital workflows with the laboratory directly in practice. By 2020, CEREC takes another big step forward with the introduction of CEREC PrimeMill, the new grinding and milling unit from Dentsply Sirona. Fabricating chairside restorations is about to get easier and significantly faster. Thanks to state-of-the-art technology, a wide range of illustrations can now be manufactured with more speed and outstanding results. In this video, I gave you an overview of the history of Dentsply Sirona and CEREC. In next videos, I will talk in more details about this technology and related matters. Please comment your opinion about given information and like, share or save this video. See you in the next episode.